Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sinful Colors Goji and LA Colors Shimmer Mist, and I'll be stamping. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Sinful Colors Goji. That's gorgeous. Beautiful, like dark berry plummy color. And a crazy, amazing formula. It's going on so nice. So easy to work with. I am so in the mood for this color. It's so pretty. Nice, beautiful cream. So there's the first coat. I am going to do a second coat. And I am making a tiny bit of mess, but nothing bad. Ugh. So I'm going to top it with some Poshe top coat. Get it to dry down before I get crazy and do some more stuff with this one. I'm going to do a little bit of topper magic on a couple of nails, and I'm going to stamp on a couple of nails. And there's Goji all by itself. This shimmer mist just was talking to me. It's like holographic shards, so I'm going to put that on a couple of nails, and then I'm going to stamp on a couple of them. I just figured mix it up a little bit. I've got all these toppers and I rarely use them, so I've been trying to, you know, just let them have a chance for a little time on my nails. And I totally messed up. I was supposed to do my pinky and then stamp the other two fingers, but you know, once that brush hit the finger, I was committed. I'm going to tap that one back up on the nail. It's trying to jump off. This is the Pro Collection from MoYou London. Let me think. It is the MoYou London Pro XL02. And I'll be using Harp on It by Color Club to stamp with today. I'm just going to do this like little chain or net looking image. Nothing too crazy, just something to, you know, tie this manicure together. So I'll be stamping that on both of those other nails, the middle nail and my pinky nail. Cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller, and I am cleaning that plate with pure acetone. And this Color Club Harp on It stamps really well. I've used it many times here on my channel for stamping, especially since that's kind of a fine image, you know, kind of a thin lines. Oh, love it. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up around my edges a little bit. It's cleaning up really well with the tape trick. If I can just get up in there. And now I'm going to top this one off. Let me see what the brush looks like. Okay, that's the Vibrant Vinyls Fast and Hard top coat today. And I am putting that over all of the nails. Oh, love, love, love. Love me some Silver Hollow. Gorgeous. Capping my free edge. And here comes my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.